To me it's lento yokushawa uzulengiswe phezulu.
Are there things you think you needed to break or you broke kuze ungazibone einganeni zakho and say khulile?
Well, of course, it becomes a generational curse. To me, it's lento yokushawa uzulengiswe phezulu. Yeah, ushawe. Yabona kwakuthi mangizoshawa ngibe nami ngijima eminyango ukuthi vele ngizoshawa. And ngijima angivalele uthe emlonyeni because vele ngizoshawa. So nami ngithola abantwana, I was very young because my first daughter ngimthole ngina 17. So bengazi ukuthi kufanele ngishaye nje. Ngishaye nje, but le yanto ngibreake ngokuthini ukuthi whilst I'm still alive, so let me go back to them because into iyonakala la masesicabangisisa ukuthi from infant to teenage stage khona ama episodes empilo esiwakhohlwayo they are automatically erased by nature. So umntwana avela ngeke amkhumbule umama. That's why sina lento yokuthi abantwana bathi sine childhood trauma because yena akakukhumbula ubona umama nje obhedayo.